I'm wanting to write a poem, but every word in my head sounded like a recycled rhyme. But then, I reached for my phone, opened my Instagram, and there I saw you. It has been 3 years now since we officially ended. Both of us decided if we can't make each other happy, then it was best to end it. You ended it, I ended it. It was supposed to be no regrets. But hear me now. There is something I need and want to confess. I have not talked to you. I don't know where to start. But I just want you to know that a piece of my heart did not let go. It still remembers fragments that my heart wants to hold on. Your warm kisses on my chin and on my lips. Your hair smells like fresh roses. The feeling of love as I gently hold your hand as we both share promises. But the supposedly you and me till death do us part had an awful turn. We built a stone castle, but surprisingly it burned. I know I should have said this earlier, but it was pride that got in the way. I wanted us to be together, but I was too coward to admit my mistakes. Thus, I hope my poem reaches you in time. I'm afraid that somebody else might have taken my place. Though I can wait, I have the patience no matter how long it takes. I know I don't own a reservation in your heart. Time and loneliness has taught me a lesson, and hopefully you'd appreciate this confession. And if you are reading this poem, please give me a second chance. A second chance for a brand new start, a second chance to own a piece of your heart.